Hey guys, welcome to Solid Home Improvement, and today's video we're gonna see where this hidden walkway patio brick thing we got going on here. Now a couple of weeks ago I knew there was some bricks in front of the steps right here, but I didn't think that they went all the way over here until we got a good rain, and then I saw little imprints of the brick, so I started scraping away and I couldn't help myself and I just kept going because I was curious. But apparently there's bricks that go all the way around into this area, and you can kind of see an outline where they go. So today we're gonna try to uncover as much as we can and see exactly where it is and where it goes and how far. And I'm assuming it goes to the steps, to the deck, but we'll see. So let me get you set up and we'll start scraping away. All right, well, I just finished up raking up all the grass, and then I blew it off with the leaf blower, and I was actually surprised at how much it was. That big pile is everything that was on there. I'm gonna go through later and scrape it off, and I know some of you are probably like, why didn't you just use a shovel? I don't have one. Yeah, I know, I don't have a shovel. Crazy, right? But back to the point is there is a walkway. It goes right up here to the deck. The rest of it stops right there, and it looks to be about maybe 8-9 feet by, I don't know, 15-20 feet, and then all the way around there. So I think what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna go in between each crack, weed out all the weeds, blow it off one more time, see where it's at, and then go from there. All right. All right, that's about all I'm gonna be able to do for today. I pretty much got most of the weeds out of there, most of the moss off of it. As you can see, a lot of them are uneven and just not level, especially over here on this end. We got a couple of broken ones. Didn't even know about these things. Straighten them out a little bit. We'll clear out all that and all that crap, make it look pretty eventually, but not too bad for only having a rake, a paint scraper, and a leaf blower. If I had a pressure washer or a shovel, it probably could have been a lot smoother, a lot easier, but I think it turned out pretty well. In the future, I am going to fix the blocks, maybe rearrange them to make a better patio, maybe somewhere like stretch it out, like go over like 3 bricks that way, come out, make a nice little square spot, because that's a sunroom, so I think it'd be nice to just come out the sunroom, have a nice little patio, maybe a little fireplace here. I have a fire pit over there, but I want to put one over here, but that's for the future. We'll see, maybe next spring. I got other projects that need to be done before all this, so if you stayed this long throughout the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you're not. It helps a lot. It helps a lot more than you think. And I'll see you next time.